Welcome back to the new video. I am very glad to be present here and thank you for being with us. Actually, I would like to talk about the ongoing situation in Bangladesh. Students of all universities across the country are on the roads. They are demanding, they are protesting against quota. Actually, in Bangladesh, 56% quota at this present moment remaining, but students want only 15% quota in total. If we explain 56% quota, for example, 30% quota for the children and grandchildren of the freedom fighters of Bangladesh, and 10% for women, 10% for specific districts, and 6% for ethnic groups and disabled people. The total 56%. And Bangladesh government wants peaceful solution. Students wants solution on the road. By protesting and making chaos on the roads, train lines, they have named their protest or their movement Bangla blockade. Several days they are on the roads, and the people of city dwellers are in trouble. They cannot move one place to another place. Their desired place they cannot move. Sometimes we find in the picture or in some videos, we find that people are actually moving from one place to another place on foot. It is a misery. It is a miserable condition. It is not tolerable. Actually, at this moment, some experts, educationists, and those who are specialists, they want peaceful solution as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. We will return again in new video. Thank you, and safe and healthy for this time.